Hey, ¿qué tal mis amigos coleccionistas y suscriptores? Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. Les saludo a su amigo Daniel. En esta ocasión les traigo el unboxing y exhibición de este modelo de Ford Mustang Street Racer del año 2014, fabricado por Maisto en una escala de 1:24. Sin más preámbulo, vamos al intro del canal y comenzamos.
The Ford Mustang is a series of American automobiles manufactured by Ford. In continuous production since 1964, the Mustang is currently the longest produced Ford car nameplate. Currently in its 7th generation, it is the 5th best-selling Ford car nameplate. The namesake of the pony car automobile segment, the Mustang was developed as a highly styled line of sporty coupes and convertibles derived from existing model lines, initially distinguished by long hood, short deck proportions. Amazing.
20 minutos después.
Originally predicted to sell 100,000 vehicles yearly, the 1965 Mustang became the most successful vehicle launch since the 1927 Model A. Introduced on April 17, 1964, 16 days after the Plymouth Barracuda, over 400,000 units were sold in its first year. The 1 millionth Mustang was sold within 2 years of its launch. In August 2018, Ford produced the 10 millionth Mustang, matching the first 1965 Mustang. The vehicle was a 2019 Wimbledon white convertible with a V8 engine.
Superb.
The success of the Mustang launch led to multiple competitors from other American manufacturers, including the Chevrolet Camaro and Pontiac Firebird, 1967, AMC Javelin, 1968, and Dodge Challenger, 1970. It also competed with the Plymouth Barracuda, which was launched around the same time. The Mustang also had an effect on designs of coupes worldwide, leading to the marketing of the Toyota Celica and Ford Capri in the United States, the latter, by Lincoln Mercury. The Mercury Cougar was launched in 1967 as a unique-bodied higher trim alternative to the Mustang. During the 1970s, it included more features and was marketed as a personal luxury car. Wondrous.
Awesome. Marvelous.
Great.
Now let's go to the comparisons. First with this Lamborghini Murcielago. Manufactured by Maisto. Later with the Batmobile 1966 TV series. Manufactured by JADA. Fantastic. And finally with the Lamborghini Urus. Manufactured by Maisto. Splendid. Wonderful.
Esto ha sido todo por esta ocasión, amigos. Les agradezco mucho su atención. Asimismo, les dejo el link de mi cuenta de PayPal por si desean apoyar mi canal. No olviden suscribirse si no lo han hecho aún, dar like y compartir el video. Me despido, éxitos y bendiciones.